In BC, 1 out of 8 children live in poverty.
Right now, we're seeing a large gap between our middle class and our lower class, especially in the education system. This gap is only increasing as we get into middle school and high school.
It's very important to bridge the gap between these kids that don't have the opportunities that some of the other kids do and make them feel as important as the other kids and give them some opportunities to succeed.
For many of the families we serve, they're letting us know that they are struggling financially. For many of them, they're living in poverty and are having trouble meeting their basic needs, such as food and housing. And so we're really trying to provide services that are barrier-free.
The Young Parent Programs helped me find resources for food banks or rental support and such like that. In this economy, it was definitely hard to find a daycare, and this group helping me find a daycare made it possible so I could go to college and complete a college course so I could have a career.
Our programs are completely free and accessible to all folks across SIBC. And what that means for us is that there's no barrier to entry, and what that means for our participants is there's no barrier other than showing up, and that's the bravest move you can take.
Each year, our YMCA Southern Interior BC serves over 20,000 children, youth, and families. And for a quarter of those, they live in poverty and would otherwise not be able to access the Y.
If we didn't get money from donors, families that are already economically challenged will have to source out and pay for these services. And it would have a drastic effect on a lot of the families that we have.
Generous donations to our YMCA Child and Youth Development Programs allow us to grow and diversify the services and ensure we're meeting the needs of our community.